So one of the craziest things that happened to me, I'm leaving the gym now. This is crazy. But that right there, when I was on my way to work one day, I took the Z out to Dallas, and I didn't see a rock, and I hit it, and it made a loud sound. And I was freaking out. I was like, what was that? Thinking I blew a tire, but I didn't. But yeah, it cracked the whole entire damn thing. It looks bad, especially from this side. I want to get that fixed. Yes, finally leaving LA. Not like I was in LA.
Testing. System ready.
Woo-wee. Feels good. All right, I gotta make my way to the store. So I'm gonna pick this back up when I get there. So I didn't pick it up inside the store because I didn't think I need to see what I was gonna get, which all it was just 2 waters. But I'm gonna go ahead and make it home. Just now leaving Sprouts and not much else. I would say this: if you ever do your own gauge, cluster gauge, it's hard to get it right back on the precise way, or it's hard to get it back on right where your tachometer is at the right number. It's my RPMs, I want to say they're right. My speedometer, or my gauge for that, can't say the name right now, is slightly off. I'm gonna need to get a extender for this because it's so far back there. I have to reach my arm all the way like this just to get it. Alright, let's get back to this house. Yeah, that spot looks really, really bad. Man, I really need to get that fixed, but just put it off. But yeah, as far as the vents, I got that one replaced. I just want to do 2 or 4, but I'm having a little issue. Even though I went in there and kind of adjusted the hole and resized it on there, I'm still having a little middle pop out, and that's what it is. That's what you get when you do it yourself and have it this way. But looks like I might just have to re-drill the hole in the middle to lay it down flat. The inside, the inner one lay down flat, no problem at all. It's just the outer part of it that's not really laying flat flush. Don't know why. That side, I'm gonna replace it. I did replace it, but I cracked this old one, and I was trying to do the same thing with that one, with this one. So when I replaced it, I tried to do something different, but it didn't work out. So back to the drawing board on that. But they are functional. You can see right inside. Other than that, I'm sorry guys, this is going to be a short video. There's really not much I'm going to be talking about. Just still trying to be consistent, but I really want to push for good content, not boring ones. And as far as that, I'm gonna continue to do my best to try to push for more out. And then also I'm going to readjust my front bumper, not bumper, but my splitter. Looks like I have it too high up. I don't know. Looks like one side's a little bit higher. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Other than that, so all right, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow for more, and I will continue the post. Let me get back on it. I gotta stay on it. I can't fall off. But until next time, peace.
From the middle, young nigga breaking on a bitch, nigga drinking off the